Are you tired of clicking through endless menus in Semrush just to find the keyword magic tool? Learn how to access it in under 30 seconds. I'll show you the exact path from the dashboard to the tool, starting with organizing your folders for quick access. Start by heading to your Semrush folders to organize your data. Then click on the highlighted area. Click on Home to return to the main dashboard. Click on AI Search to explore that feature. Click on Site Audit to check your site's health. Click on On-Page SEO Checker to review your page optimizations. Click on Backlink Audit to analyze your backlinks. Click on Organic Traffic Insights to see your traffic data. Click on the section that says, "You're optimizing for rankings. Now optimize for visibility everywhere." Click on Create SEO Project to start a new project. Finally, click on Share to share your project with others. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.